Welcome to Saucepan Tripro. Today, we're diving deep into a cookware set that's promising a revolutionary cooking experience. We're talking about the Blue Diamond Cookware diamond-infused ceramic non-stick 4-piece set. This set boasts a striking blue finish and a host of impressive claims. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First off, let's talk about what you actually get in this set. You're looking at a 12-inch Frypan, a 2-quart saucepan, an 11-inch Saute Pan, and a 5-quart Stockpot. That's a pretty solid foundation for most home kitchens, covering everything from quick weeknight meals to more elaborate dishes. The star of the show here is undoubtedly the diamond-infused ceramic non-stick coating. Blue Diamond claims this coating is 5 times harder and 10 times longer lasting than conventional non-stick. This is a bold statement, and if true, it means this cookware could potentially withstand significant wear and tear, even allowing for the use of metal utensils. We'll definitely be testing that claim. Diamonds are known for their hardness, so the idea of infusing them into a cooking surface is certainly intriguing. Another major selling point is heat performance. The company states that this cookware offers 4 times better heat transfer compared to traditional options. This translates to faster heating and, crucially, more even cooking. The frustration of cold spots or scorching hot spots on your pan can be a real deal-breaker, so if Blue Diamond delivers on this promise, it will significantly improve your cooking efficiency and results. The tough aluminum bodies are designed to contribute to this even heating, ensuring that your food cooks consistently across the entire surface. Now, for a really important aspect in today's market, let's talk about health. The Blue Diamond set is advertised as toxin-free. This means it's manufactured without PFAS, PFOA, lead, and cadmium. For anyone concerned about chemicals leaching into their food, this is a massive advantage. The healthy ceramic non-stick coating is a key feature that many consumers are actively seeking out. Durability is also a focus. The warp control base on these pans is designed to provide extra strength and prevent the cookware from warping, wobbling, or degrading over time. This is particularly important for pans that will see a lot of use and be subjected to various heat cycles. A stable base ensures consistent contact with the stovetop, which further contributes to even cooking. Comfort and usability are often overlooked, but Blue Diamond seems to have considered this. The riveted stainless steel handles are designed for a sturdy and comfortable grip. They're also built for oven use, which brings us to another significant feature. This entire set, including the tempered glass lids, is oven and broiler safe up to an impressive 600 degrees Fahrenheit. The tempered glass lids themselves are a nice touch. They allow you to monitor your food's progress without lifting the lid, trapping heat and moisture effectively. Just a note, the description mentions the lids are oven safe up to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, while the pans themselves go up to 600. It's important to be mindful of those temperature differences when using them together. A key point to remember is that this cookware is suitable for all stovetops except induction. So, if you have an induction cooktop, this set won't be compatible. Finally, let's talk about cleanup. The Blue Diamond set is dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience for many. However, they also claim that most messes will simply wipe clean due to the non-stick properties. This would be ideal, as handwashing can sometimes be a chore, but the option of tossing them in the dishwasher is a great backup. So, to recap the pros. We have a versatile 4-piece set with a strong emphasis on durability thanks to the diamond-infused coating. The claims of exceptional hardness and longevity are very appealing. The rapid and even heating is another major benefit for any home cook. And the toxin-free aspect is a crucial selling point for health-conscious consumers. The oven safety up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and the sturdy handles add to the overall functionality. However, there are a few cons to consider. The most significant is the incompatibility with induction cooktops. This will immediately rule out a portion of the market. While the metal utensil safe claim is exciting, real-world testing will be key to verifying its longevity. We'll need to see how the non-stick coating holds up over extended use with various utensils. Also, While dishwasher safe is convenient, the true test of a non-stick pan is how easily it cleans by hand for everyday use. Overall, the Blue Diamond Cookware diamond-infused ceramic non-stick 4-piece set presents a very compelling package. It addresses many of the common pain points consumers experience with cookware, from durability and heat distribution to health and ease of cleaning. The unique diamond infusion technology and the impressive temperature ratings make it stand out in a crowded market. Link in the description.